Tired of spending a fortune on skincare products that don't give you the results you want? Well, today we've got a treat for you. In this video, we'll show you how to make a homemade skin serum for glowing skin using the power of aloe vera, rose water, and non-comedogenic oils. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for even better natural tips. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of rose water, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. You also need a small mixing bowl and a dropper bottle to store your serum. Step 2. Mix the ingredients in a small mixing bowl. Add the aloe vera gel and rose water. Mix well until they are fully combined. Then add the jojoba oil and grapeseed oil and mix until all the ingredients are fully blended. You should have a smooth and silky serum that smells amazing. Step 3. Pour the mixture into a dropper bottle using a funnel. Pour the mixture into the dropper bottle to make it easier to apply the serum to your skin. Plus, it's super cute. Step 4. Apply the serum to your skin after cleansing your skin. Use the dropper to apply a few drops of the serum onto your face and neck. Gently massage the serum into your skin using upward motions until it's fully absorbed. You'll feel like you're at the spa. Step 5. Keep it up. Use the serum daily for best results. After a month of regular use, you will notice a significant improvement in your overall health and the appearance of your skin. Say goodbye to dryness, redness, and blemishes. Congrats, you've learned how to make a natural and effective skin serum. Please leave any questions you have below. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you are appreciated.